This is a secret recipe I learned from the CIA.
Sugar. 100% pure Venezuelan fishing boat wax. From farm to table.
Ah, that's one. One bat. Two bats. Three fabulous flyers. What? Nothing? Nothing happened. Where's the confetti? Where's the balloons? Isn't 3 the number of the day? What? Oh, we're not finished counting. Haha. Yes, Sasha, where were you, my pet? Oh, well, never mind. You're here now. Let's keep going.
This is where I talk shit. Yeah, nigga, talk shit.
I think it's time to blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.